Hey everyone, today I want to teach you guys how to crochet a magic ring. So basically, when you see this crochet plushie here, it needs to start from somewhere. And usually magic ring is our beginning clue when we start to make a plushie like this. And it usually looks like this circular thing here. This is where we start, and then we increase all the way until it forms the head of the capybara. And then for the body, here we have a magic ring, and then we crochet all around until we have the body. So this is basically what a magic ring is. It's like the beginning of a project, especially when making something circular like this. So if it has like volume and shape, three-dimensional like this, and it's circular, usually it will require you to start with a magic ring. Alright, let's try to do the magic ring. First, you pull the yarn like this, right? Hold it. Then on your left hand, you're going to do an X on your index and middle finger, and after you have an X like this, you're gonna hold it like this, turn, put your hook under the yarn, above the yarn, scoop it out from underneath and twist, and then you go under this yarn here and scoop it into that small loop, slow and carefully, and then you have a magic ring. So this is going to be the foundation in order to create the beginning circle of an amigurumi project. Okay, I'm going to show it to you one more time. So we're gonna take the yarn like this, form an X, hold it, turn, and then you go underneath and above, scoop it out like that, and then you go underneath this yarn at the side here and scoop it out in that small loop. See? And this thing is what we call our magic ring. Right now, it didn't become that shape that I showed you yet, but if we add our stitches, single crochet for example, it's gonna look like that. So let me show how to make that. Okay, here is how we're gonna do it. First, we take our hook, make sure that this string is on the left side, hold it, and then we go put the hook underneath both. Okay, don't go in here, don't go in here. We want to go in the loop. Both of these things are going to be on top the hook like this. See? Then we scooping this one out from above, and we're going outside from that loop just now, and then from below we scoop it out through both loops. Let me show you again. Inside the loop from the top, and then we scoop it out from the loop, and then from the bottom scoop it out. Okay, in the hole, from top, out of the hole, and then from the bottom, scoop through both loops. Okay, in the hole, scoop from top, out of the hole, underneath, both loops. In hole, top, out hole, scoop bottom, both loops. In hole, take the yarn from top, out hole, take the yarn from the bottom, both loops. Okay, so right now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, we're trying to make 6 single crochet. It's going to be written like this, and it depends on the pattern. Sometimes they will ask you to do more and sometimes less, but if you have done this correctly, all you have to do next is pull this yarn here, okay, and it will have this shape that we have when we create our amigurumi. So in the beginning, and when you continue make single crochet around, increasing the size, eventually it will form shape and become a cute plushie. Okay, I hope that tutorial just now has helped you guys out. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask in the comment section. And if you love my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!